In today's video, I'm going to show you how to launch a completely automated YouTube side hustle using a ton of different tools, even if you've never shown your face or recorded a single word of yourself. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and this is Side Hustle Mastery, where we break down real systems to help you build a scalable income online without burning out or spending months stuck in planning mode. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you're not a content creator, you're going to love this strategy. It's simple, repeatable, and it can start earning passively once it's up and running. Let's get into it. Step number 1, understand the business model. This side hustle is built around creating automated YouTube videos using AI tools, then monetizing those videos through AdSense and possibly affiliate links. You're not vlogging, you're not filming anything. Instead, you're creating short, engaging videos on trending topics using AI voice tools for narration, video creation platforms like InVideo or Opus, Google Trends and SEO tools to pick the right topics, and YouTube's partner program to earn ad revenue once your channel is eligible. The best part is once your videos are created and uploaded, they keep working for you 24/7. Step number 2 is to pick a topic that gets views. So the first step is picking a topic that people are already searching for. So what we're going to do first is take a look at Google Trends and search for terms that are growing in interest. You can filter by country, category, or time range to spot short-term spikes or long-term growth areas. Some easy categories to start with include tech news, AI tools, productivity hacks, side hustle ideas, health tips, celebrity facts, true crime summaries. The key here is to create searchable, evergreen, or trending content that doesn't rely on your personal brand. Once you've found a few trending keywords, you can check YouTube search results for those terms. Look for video titles with high views but low competition, channels with simple thumbnails, and low subscriber counts getting traction. These are your opportunities. So let's just say we want to explore health tips. What I really like about Google Trends too, just as a side note, is let's just get even more niche. Let's say health tips versus gut health tips and just see which is searched more. Okay, so you can see gut health versus health tips. Maybe we even just say health versus gut health and see. Oh, wow. Okay, so here you can see interest over time. Let's even type in weight loss. We can remove this too and just see interest over time past 5 years. Let's just take a look and see. So it's been consistently high for a long time. Let's just do worldwide and just see. Okay, again, this just gives you some good information to start with. So you can create a niche that really is in high search demand. Step number 3 is to write a simple video script. So once you have your topic or niche, it's time to write a basic script. You don't need to write like a copywriter, just keep it short, clear, and engaging. You can aim for 200 to 400 words for short form or 800 to 1000 for longer videos. Here's a basic format you can follow. Hook, ask a question or share a surprising fact in the first 5 seconds. Context, briefly explain why this matters. Main points, list out 3 to 5 interesting facts or tips, and then close. End with a question or CTA to encourage comments. You can even use tools like ChatGPT to help outline and polish your script based on the topic. So we can go to ChatGPT. If you want to check out ChatGPT, the link is in the description below. Can you write a long form script for 5 tips for gut health? Perfect. Now, once you've got your script, you obviously want to edit it, make it a little bit more authentic. If you see something that you don't like, just make sure you update it to really resonate with what you want to share with the world. So step number 4 is to generate the voiceover using AI. So you can use an AI voice generator to narrate the script. There are a ton of options like 11 Labs, TTS Maker, Play HT, Lovo. So 11 Labs is an example. And so as you can see, you just type in the script and then it will create it. You can do text to speech, speech to text, etc. But what you would want to do for this is we would copy and paste this script right here, and then it will go ahead and create the voiceover for you. You definitely want to choose a natural sounding voice. So you'll paste your script in and then you can download the audio. Pro tip is to break your script into shorter sections to give you more control during editing, especially if you want it to match visuals more precisely. Step number 5 is to create the video with Opus or InVideo. So now it's time to bring your video to life. Use a platform like InVideo or Opus Clip to turn your script and voiceover into a fully produced video. No editing experience required. So let's just say we go to InVideo. If you want to check them out, I've left our exclusive link in the description below and you can get started with the free trial. We'll go ahead and get signed up. You can do Google or you can create just with an email. Perfect. Now, how did you discover? From a YouTube video, you should click if you're watching this. We'll say content creator, year of birth. Okay, now I just wanted to show you this one, but we actually can just copy and paste paste the script directly here and it will generate a video for us. Then from here, you can choose a style or template based on your niche, let it auto-generate scenes, replace stock clips or images where needed, and then if you want to upload your voiceover and align it with the visuals, you also can do that too. InVideo has a huge stock library and animations to make your video look polished in minutes. If you're repurposing content like blog posts or YouTube clips, Opus Clip is a great way for slicing content into shorts with auto captions and punchy formatting. Again, both those links are in the description below if you want to check them out for yourself. Step number 6 is to optimize for search and discovery. Once your video is ready, the next step is getting it seen. Here's how to make your video searchable. Use your main keyword in the title, description, and tags. Add timestamps and a short summary in the description. Create a custom thumbnail with bold text and contrast. Canva works great for this. Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to optimize your SEO and suggest keywords. You don't need to rank number 1 to start getting views, especially if you're tapping into rising topics. The key is consistency. The more videos you publish, the more data YouTube has to work with, and the better your future videos will perform. Step number 7 is to turn views into income. Now for the part that actually pays, monetization. There are a few ways to earn from this automated YouTube setup. Number 1 is AdSense through the YouTube Partner Program. Once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views in 90 days, you can apply to the Partner Program and start earning from ads shown on your videos. You won't make thousands overnight, but even $3 to $10 per 1,000 views adds up over time, especially once your videos start stacking. 2 is affiliate marketing. So you can also drop affiliate links in your descriptions. For example, tools you review, gear you recommend, or templates you use. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Impact, ShareASale are all great places to start. If your channel is in a niche like AI tools, finance, or tech, your affiliate commissions can be even higher, sometimes $20 to $100 per referral. Number 3 is lead generation. If you're building a business or email list, you can direct viewers to a landing page or free download. Every video becomes a lead magnet that works for you long term. Now let's dive into some of the pros and cons of this automated side hustle. Starting off with the pros. This side hustle requires no on-camera presence, no expensive gear, and very little upfront costs. You can start today using all of the tools that I showed you, and most of them have free trials. Once the videos are live, they can keep earning views and income over time without any ongoing effort. You also gain leverage by using AI. You're not burning hours on editing or scripting. Instead, you're working with smart tools that can help you scale. Now for the cons. This model still requires consistency. You likely won't see results from 1 or 2 videos. You need to publish regularly and improve your content based on what's working. Also, platforms like YouTube are pretty competitive. You'll need to be strategic about your topics, titles, and thumbnails to stand out, especially early on. And finally, while automation saves time, you still need a basic system. Without a consistent workflow, it's easy to let the process stall. If you've been looking for a low-risk, high-leverage side hustle that doesn't rely on your face, voice, or full-time availability, this is one of the easiest and most scalable models out there. It blends creativity with automation, and it lets you tap into one of the biggest monetization engines online, YouTube. You won't get rich overnight, but if you stay consistent and build a library of value-driven, optimized videos, the income potential is so real. I know how overwhelming it can feel when you want to start a side hustle but don't know where to begin. This is the kind of model I wish I had years ago. This kind of model is something that doesn't require you to be everywhere all the time and still lets you earn on autopilot. If you want to check this out for yourself or any of the tools I've talked about, all of the links are in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. But if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It really just helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build real scalable income streams with tools and systems that actually work. If you loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.